Alright everyone, now let's talk about catch-all routes. This is useful when you want to capture everything that comes after a certain path. For example, let's say we have a route like this, SUV, then BMW, slash 2020 slash red. So the full URL could be something like slash SUV slash BMW slash 2020 slash red. And we want to capture all of these values. To do that, we use a catch-all segment. Inside the app folder, I create a new folder called SUV. Then inside it, I create a page JS file and define a simple component. If I go to slash SUV, this page works normally. Now, to capture everything after SUV, I create another folder using square brackets. And inside it, I write 3 dots followed by slug, so it becomes bracket dot 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 slug bracket. Then inside this folder, I create another page JS. Now here's what happens. If I go to slash SUV slash BMW, this new page is rendered. If I go to slash SUV slash BMW slash 2020, still the same page. Even if I keep adding more segments, they are all captured. Now, how do we access these values? Just like before, we use params, but this time slug is an array, so I make my component async and write const slug equals await param. When I log it, I can see all values inside an array. For example, BMW is index 0, 2020 is index 1, and blue is index 2. So everything after SUV is captured inside slug. That's why it's called a catch-all route, because it catches all segments in the URL, and you can use these values however you want inside your component.